Again, so continuously study all the video lessons in the CPA Dreams online review. So this time, I want to give you the tax reporting classification of deductions. Okay, so first, we have four. Okay, tax reporting classification of deductions. First is the cost of sales or cost of services. Second, we have regular allowable itemized deductions. Third, we have special allowable itemized deductions. And last will be the net operating loss carryover or NOLCO. Okay, so we will discuss. So this is only an overview. Okay, alam naman natin lahat, for cost of sales and cost of services, this is an outright expense against your sales, revenues, fees, gross receipts, and gross services. Okay, so madali lang siya kasi nadidiscuss naman to sa financial accounting and reporting. So you know how to calculate the cost already. Second, in the regular allowable itemized deductions, this is attributable costs in carrying on development, management, operation, or conduct of trade or business. So dito papasok lahat ng mga expenses na ginamit sa business. Okay, so na-discuss ko na naman yan for the legitimate business expenses. Now, for special allowable itemized deductions, these are provided under NIRC or special laws. This can be categorized as actual and deductions incentive. So, sa actual, ito yung compliance expenses mo. Yung deductions incentives, this is provided by law to encourage the taxpayers, and this is the support of the government. Okay, to the taxpayers. Now, makikita mo rin sa summary notes kung ano yung mga yan. So, I listed some of it. Now, for the NOLCO, net operating loss carryover, this is pertains to the excess of expense deduction over gross income during a taxable year, which is allowed by the law to be deducted against the net income of the following 3 years. So, kung puros losses ka, no, sa business mo, okay? Kasi usually for startup businesses, talaga namang totoo, wala ka pang income for the first 2 to 3 years. Okay? Mag-i-incur ka ng losses. Okay? Kagaya ko, wala naman tayong income dito. Okay? Pero ang goal natin is for CPA Dreams to stand alone without any support or funding. So, ang magpa-fund na is yung mga students. So, it's same. Okay, in the business, ganun din. Kaya nagkakaroon ng net operating loss carryover kasi hindi enough ang nagiging gross income niya or gross revenues. Pagka na-deduct mo na lahat ng expenses mo, lugi ka pa. Okay, kaya to support the taxpayers or the business, small businesses or yung mga businessman, entrepreneurs, this is a good deductions. Okay? Now, sa gross income, meron tayong mode of claiming deductions. Okay? Meron dalawa ding type, which is the itemized deductions, which are mentioned the different tax reporting classifications, and then optional standard deduction or the OSD. Okay? Itemized deductions, very simple. Taxpayers list every item of business expenses, okay, that they claim as deductions. Yung itemized deductions, that means they have official receipts, invoices, payment vouchers, and adequate records and documentations to support all the itemized deductions they put in the return. Now, okay, kung ayaw mo naman ng hirap, okay, so you can opt in to optional standard deduction. So this is actually is in lieu of itemized deductions. This includes already the regular or special deductions. This includes also the NOLCO. Okay, deduction, okay, this deduction is merely presumed as fixed percentage of the gross income for corporations and gross sales or gross receipts for individuals. Okay? So, in the upcoming video lessons as well, I'm going to share with you kung paano ginagamit ang optional standard deduction. As a tax consultant or tax specialist, of course, you need to advise your client if they are going to choose itemized deductions or optional standard deductions for them to have tax savings. Okay? Kasi pagka nagkaroon sila ng tax savings, maganda ang performance mo as tax consultant or tax specialist, then maganda ang kabuhayang swak na swak. Okay? So yun lang for this lesson. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video lesson. If you haven't done so, please click the subscribe button